Then, project risk management. In this title, we tackle is the learning objective, understand risk, the importance of good and project risk management, sources and risk information, but the analysis explain how to calculate risk factors. Then the second one is learning objectives counted. Explain quantitative analysis and how to apply decision tree simulation and sensitivity analysis to quantify risk. Provide examples using different to address both negative and positive risk. Discuss how to control, describe, and software and assist project management. Then this project risk management is the art of the science and identifying, analyzing, and responding to risk throughout the life of a project and the best interest meeting project objectives and developing realistic estimates. Then by determining the project scope. Then research shows need to improve project risk. Study by maturing eating all of the knowledge areas as a similar survey was completed with software developing companies in Mauritius, South Africa in 2003. Study shows the benefits past following and software risk management practices. Then the global issues. Many people around the world suffered from financial losses as various financial markets dropped in fall 2008 after the 700 billion bailout was passed by the US, then including and command failure issues. Then the negative risk about this is a dictionary definition of risk is the possibility of loss of injury. Negative risk involves understanding potential problems that might occur in the project and might like a form of insurance. It is an investment. Then the risk can be positive, that result is in good things happening, sometimes called opportunities. A general definition of risk, it is an uncertainty that can have a negative or positive effect on meeting. Then the best practice, some organizations make the mistake of only addressing tactical and negative risk when performing project risk management, then which he refers to as integrated management. Risk utility is a tolerance of the amount of satisfaction or pleasure received from a potential payoff. Utility rises as a decreasing rate from people who are risk averse, those who are risk seeking a higher tolerance. Then thank you for this listening and God bless. Then project risk management.